Quotation go Bible ni mo say enya de wanyi ni bebere eni ni mu nyansa. Edwene enkyere nyansa. Bible na kan. And you know, sometimes it happens to be true. Abusia Bole MP, Honorable Suleiman, wabekasa, wabekanse bila in fact. Okata said the KG ni afina de microphone national and say one kasa. Okata say KG ni afina man microphone say on kyere na adwen e wo asem. E mo kasa media no so backlash as start eba. Me mo nkyere mu no akyere wadwen ama me. Any many other stories. Ibedo nkomo. Aha Penyah block media. Mesra say ni die mu. Obe like video no that my subscribe button. So na click the notification icon for latest update. Na ba kyere wadwen de ama me. E wo comment section me so baso. No share for us anya bi ahwe. Oh, let's enjoy this sweet anthem. It is a parliamentary proceedings eguso ekoso after the budget to the Penyah block media. I am so keenly following, every update in parliament, every parliamentary sitting biano. I am a follow updates keenly. Now on Friday, you call sitting bi. Na Hon A-Plus Bole MP, Honorable Suleiman or can serious and some candidate. Nyamianim nukreni. Nyamianim nukreni by all standard and seven nyan sending. By all standard and some nyan sending. Either way, say, over here 2014, and as the President John Dramani Mahama, or ya dibi ma Kyebi for Kyebi, isi roja Akufo Addo Krum, Kyebi, or inaugurating water project be Emma Ewo Hodomo. They say, Okoye nsuo any other Ewo Kyebi, isi roja Akufo Addo Krum, Kyebi. Mind you, 2014, Akufo Addo Ghana President. It's Mahama inaugurated that project no. Ewo Hodomo Edma Omo, and what who development be Mahama Ewo Hodomo, but 2016 Akufo betena konya so no o malani ko ni krom wo chichiri ni krom ama ni krom aye krabahwe ekronu nie eyes was amomo ultramodern hospital just say Akufo Addo boy adwuma e wo Kyebi ho no mo wa kire say baby awufiri no ye siesie ho ye ho yi why ho kama e de ama wo mo na Friday na ko Ghana parliament no debate e koso MP for beto mo kire this one so betran konya so no omunya hwe just omunya hwe na eno ana end this one so ni abre person fa we say miss bi an omu e defended that instance now is the MP for omu ta make as a comment no best omu as a counter with another comment. Na Hon A Bole MP, Honorable Suleiman also join naso. And then okasa bebrebe. Onkoyin tumu a had it not be Mahama or water or ma or they what insuo eko Kyebi a ankana Kyebi for the sebi. Omunum ensuo with pigs omune empreku ana enum ensuo.
He abandoned the Bole Bamboy Road. He abandoned our teacher training college that was started in 2016. Indeed, he abandoned Bole personally. Why do I say so? For the 8 years that he became president, he never visited Bole.
Hey, are you sure?
We invited him several times. He didn't go.
Wow.
Now you want to compare him with His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. If John Dramani Mahama has not done anything for the people of Kyebi, he provided them with potable water when indeed they were drinking water with pigs. That is what His Excellency John Dramani Mahama has done.
And this is coming from an MP who bears the title Honorable. This is coming from old man who bears the title Honorable in Ghana Parliament. How can you talk like this? How can you talk like this? Couldn't you find any better ways and means to address this issue? Can you prove with a video where the people of Kyebi, what a boy, Bole na what here, Bole, did you know the life that was going on at Kyebi? How did you know that they were drinking water with pigs? And are there he or can you know? Now the side of the NDC caucus in Parliament, you know, they were laughing. They were laughing. Just a yeah politics. And then the politics the BBA won't be dirty politics. Everything entails. They were laughing. They were happily laughing. But my mentor me show you so hanamo. Na men kase uko silemwa sebe. Omoni anya anantwe ni nwan eno no musuo eno kran. I have video to support it.
A village where human beings are drinking water with animals, goats, sheep, and cattle drinking same water as human beings. Water that's very polluted and full of waterborne diseases. Today, hope for Ghana has come to change this story.
A man-made dugout, a small dam built years ago, dries up in the dry season, cannot even accommodate them all year long.
We'll dredge this dam, make it bigger and deeper, from Jarigo in the northern region of Ghana.
In fact, it is so bad. People and animals are competing with water. This is Kanchina community. You can imagine. These women work about 2 hours before they can have access to this water. And they have nowhere to get this water. They want to rely on this water. And very soon this water will dry off. We are appealing to any NGOs to come to their aid, to support them to get potable water for their home consumption. Thank you.
Whenever water comes to the surface, Amina Mohammed scoops it up. Slowly, painstakingly, she and the other women of Anafobi see.
So this is the water you drink, right?
That's the water that we as you can see the water that we have been drinking. Wow. I mean the water, if you drink it, the water is even smelling. The water is even smelling. You are not feeling anything that you are drinking. We just drink it, but you are not feeling anything.
How are you? So what are you people doing here? People are washing with the same water. When you come to Tamale South, a community called Donahili in Tamale South, this is water they drink with the cows. The cows drink the same water, and the community people also drink the same water. So they don't have any other choice than drinking this water with a cow. They don't have water in their community, and this look up to the head.
Me one video they supporting my argument, but my mentor and America, they will come after me. But a whole MP stand in Parliament to come on, Ghana. How did we end here? And he bears the title honorable. You don't qualify for the honorable as a title. You don't qualify. With all due respect, you don't qualify. Bole, have you been able to develop Bole? What is life at Bole? Bole, what is the life over there? Northern region, the most deprived region in Ghana. The most deprived region, yes, as a woman can Ghana who be because development as a woman can Ghana who be. Their MPs don't do anything for them. Upper East, upper their MPs enjoy better life. They don't care about them. They don't care about them. And you don't see anybody shading them. Because the condition over there. You just enjoy what you came to meet. But how on earth, as MP, you stand at the floor of Parliament to pass this as a comment? And is this a debate? And is this your point to counter what someone has said? This is below the bet. And it is uncalled for. This is below the bet. You see, I say no can no. Say me a Kyebi ni akambu befu. Must be caught because and some no can you know. The people of Kyebi can rise against him. They can demonstrate against. They can show him shege. I do a bit my cause if a bit my cause mayhem. In case you don't know, it can cause mayhem. How did we end as a country? How? A student for Nyensu no Makan was a movie. How have we been able to solve it? Makan was a movie. The life at the north, Makan was a movie. And Akufo Addo and the project will be in 2014. 2014, 11 years in the end, now they will be. And that time, no Obian from come president too. After that, Akufo be a president no. Fanuwa Chikasa. After that, no Fakasa. And Okasa, time when NDC Teswa, NDC Teswa, cause Mahawa be different ames in same. It na NDC Kona na Teswa. And Akufo Addo be trans every Kyebi. No ba be chire ho no mo a. And na dey na tant. Why no any pigs and so. And the way he stressed on the pigs, had it not been Mahama, the people of Kyebi were drinking water with pigs. How did even how the manner with which he stressed on the pigs even they bore me. The manner with which he stressed on the pigs even they bore me self. And this is coming from no person other than an honorable, a self-acclaimed honorable, a member of parliament. This is a shame, an embarrassing moment. And yet fair one, and you must come out to apologize to the people of Kyebi. This is below the bed. With all due respect, I am not against you. I don't mean to attack you. But this is below the bed. This is not nice at all. How can an MP talk like this? Old man, for Christ's sake. Old man like you. How can you talk like this? There was a comedian as well, a Pascal, and 7 will be Domi Penyah. Yebusa A+ said, "Da be na A+ be kasa parliament to be A+ in Kasia Bida. Da be pa na A+, ebe kasa parliament house on movie."
Come A+. Wo de wo to Jimmy no wo si wonya wa no emansuo se wo se. Yes, we want to hold that so can kwase asemfa na na don't. Are you not fed up? Are you not tired? Huh? Muja mo sen kwase afo no ma beta tan kan kwase asemfo bi papa. Na do no wo mama metina paper bi aso sa fansa kwoti mabama no. Enti emfa ho ne kwase asema abeka afa no ho. Enko ba bia na wadi ni fie 8 years na wi wadi awie. Ene woti ni fie na mama na invite na. Wo se dia na wo se abo na beche ware. And now your constituents have voted for you. You are a parliamentarian. Finance Minister buried the budget. Your colleagues are debating the budget. Go and join them to debate the budget. Don't go to a friend and say, "Oh, comfort zone and contact and can kwasem." Baby, we here Jumane Parliament. When you here, we crop for debate budget. No, go and let us know. Your friend said, "Dear, entail what the budget entails." And young kwasem.
Don't make a benefit echo. So be MP dia. What the brofo ne be campaign do me kwa benya ha wo be wa dwen se opa mpiedi no wo amfa brofo anya campaign na ye ma won stande wo ti ase me hu yen enka do me kwa benya ye trend a na ka ye si ye school ana ye road bi na ka ye trend ho akama ene do me kwa benya ye trend na brofo eno metimba bi NDC fo nkwala ye mumwade ba ko se so o te brofo ane de okan and correct near me mesi near me sidan me brofo kaka na aka no se me fu player ana me cross immigration eho ena me ka se brofo no me wi ara me ma de shembotom what is second in show fori mako stand the MP bi odo me kwa benya ana munum se parliament has no ko ha ye de brofo na kasa Ghana laws mo no eye brofo kasa nko na e ka ho unim na ka twi kura obesa translate ya ko brofo ana unim enti na mesi MPP delegates montuma ba umia ye mpe obi o kan brofo left said the amount for na ante sa no brofo te osu the amount for brofo nye anse se pe mampani adi yesra mo di atu edo me kwa benya ne pesa MPP fo bi beto yen muntie me MPP delegates di atu edo me kwa benya no ye mpase bebe to Ghana fo o MPP fo no be guase na president kasa na if you see me the something before you rasky to the brofo ne nye do me kwa benya fo huna mane a ena ye trendy na brofo ho ye twetwe na brofo ye mpase be hu sa de ne biem eti MPP delegate montuma ba umia ko wuli ba brofo de o na montuma no na ye nya free na brofo enye ni mu ase de ba asem
Chira waje mame ewo conversation ayi Penyah Block Media agra